Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing both devices and initiating the first action. Make sure the TV actually supports AirPlay, Miracast, Chromecast, or has a plugged-in dongle. This is critical. Once done, connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network so they can see each other. Now open your phone's Quick Settings or Control Center and tap the cast or screen mirroring icon. That starts the discovery process. If you see your TV name, tap it and wait for the connection prompt to appear. Once the TV is discovered, you'll complete the pairing and refine settings. You may need to accept a connection prompt on the TV or type a 4-digit code into your phone. That secures the link. Next, choose whether you want full screen mirroring or casting just audio/video. This affects aspect ratio and latency. Make sure the TV input is set to the correct source, rotate your phone for landscape when needed, and set initial volume on the phone so playback starts at a comfortable level. To finish, stop mirroring from your phone's cast control or disconnect from the TV's source menu. That cleanly ends the session. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Reduce wireless interference by moving phone and TV closer and away from other electronics. If lag continues, switch networks between 4 GHz and 5 GHz to test stability, or reboot the router and devices. Finally, make sure firmware and the casting app are updated. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.